Okay, my friend and I are gonna make pants. We're at the fabric store at June's Fabric. Or no, we're at Fabric Mart. It's like velvet. Ooh. Ooh, it's like shiny. And I think I found the fabric I want. I have a shirt that matches this, and I think the pants would be really cute. They're high-waisted, really comfy, elastic looking. The kind I've seen are corduroy, which eventually I want to make some in corduroy, but I think to start, I don't know. I mean, I guess if they have corduroy here, I could just do that, because I haven't seen any really super expensive fabrics. You know what? Maybe I'll look for corduroy. But anyway, I really like the idea of this with like a solid top that's the reddish color. But we'll see what we end up with. And I am by no means an expert, but I did learn how to sew like years ago, and during COVID I sewed a lot of masks to make some money because I couldn't do my regular work, and so it's been a while. I've made Halloween costumes too, but it's been a while, and this will be fun to get back into it and like to actually start making clothes. And the goal is to go to thrift stores and like repurpose stuff, but anyway, we're starting with this, so I'm so excited. Shiny, shiny. Burlap. Oh my god, that would be so cute. So the fabric I wanted to get, it's gonna be like $40, so I'm gonna go with like a cheaper one. And also like this is really bold, so I don't know if I'm going the right route. Okay. Oh my, this is really, actually I'm not exaggerating, this is really heavy. All right, should I do this though? This is really like bold. I think it might do it. Okay, we'll see. If it costs more than $15, then I'm not. Okay. Okay. Now we need to get thread. So for this one, I'll probably get this. No, I don't think that's bright enough. I mean, it would. Yeah, as long as it blends in.
Yeah, I think it would work.
Yeah, I think that might work. Oh yeah,
I think so.
I might even go a little darker than the fabric, because think of that's gonna like be shiny. Like if it's brighter than the fabric, obviously if you don't care, that's one thing. But if it's brighter than the fabric, the contrast will make it like stand out.
Right. So you think like one of these ones?
Maybe. I'm not sure though. Or even not too dark. Okay. Not too dark, but like I would go a shade darker rather than a shade lighter if they don't have the exact color. Okay. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Because like otherwise, like example, like if you chose this, then you're gonna see that shiny. Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Just suggestion, but
okay. And then do we need a crop on these things?
That I have to ask her because I don't remember what bias tape is exactly, like if it's needed always, or if it's only for certain projects. But maybe she'll be able to help us. It's like I feel like this works, but it's a little bit of a different tone.
Yeah.
Also, maybe I should take off my glasses and I can see better. I just like the darkness. Okay, let's.
Oh, nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a little better.
Yeah. That's almost exact.
And it's like, I think that'll be good. Okay. Okay, you need to find an elastic. Oh, there's more. Oh! How much are these?
Is this thread?
Yeah. Oh, it's only $3.99. Okay. I guess if we're just making one pair, like if you're going to get white or black, I would get a huge thing like that. Well, it's more like, I feel like, am I going to blow through this like quickly?
23.62.
Does it say on there? Because these are all different sizes.
So they would be one even thicker than this.
So 4 centimeters width. I think this is the width.
Yeah, that's
right. That's 1 inch.
And 1
How many? What's a centimeter to inches?
At least we're partway there.
Yes. We are 1/10 of the way there. In 3 years, we'll have our own.
1 year. 189.
And these also.
Once I make them, I'll be wearing them
everywhere. The people are gonna be sick of it. Be like, do you have any other clothes?
$8.57.
I saw the other amount. It said $136. I was like, oh,
yeah.
oh.
Just shopping.
Thank you so much. All right, I'm gonna move out of your way, and I'm gonna put my stuff in a bag. Thank you. All right, not bad. Here's the damage. So I'm gonna sell these for $150.
Like once we get it down, like you said, once we like are able to get to a point that we can just like gift from the store and come
Yeah.
here, like, it's gonna be so much easier.
For sure.
And cheaper.
We were at FedEx, so we were gonna print the pattern, and we Chio tried printing it in the do-it-yourself machine. And oh wait, do you still have the paper? It's like fit for a doll's. Well, like the first one, like printed on 8.5 by 11, and then the second one. Oh, sorry, my bad. And then the second one printed on legal paper. So if you're really skinny, so we had to bring it to the man at the front, and he explained to us that sometimes Etsy sewing patterns are made with AI, and they're not to scale. But we're hoping this one is legit, and it's gonna cost $33 to print it because it's such a large paper. So we're now starting our own pants business. Let us know what kind of pattern, what kind of design you want. We only have aloha and corduroy.
Yeah.
Aloha print and corduroy. So you got 2 options. We'll make the pants for you. We're gonna get our money's worth. So this has been a real fun experience. It's a good thing. Like I told her, like when we were talking about this, we're probably not going to sew today because we're going to go find the fabric we want, and now this is like a huge thing. But it's only our first time doing this pattern, so like after this time we'll be experts.
We will be, yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Try wife goals out of the window.
Try to wife. I was telling her, just join a commune, do the thing you're good at. Find like someone at the commune will know how to sew. Like she's probably going to be the cook.
Right.
Yeah. I'll be the personality hire. I'll make everyone happy.
Yeah.
I'll sing and dance.
Exactly.
How big it was, but my brain still couldn't like understand just how
This
big
is
that was going
your
to be.
page 1, 2, and 3, right?
Whoa.
And you just have to like, basically you have to like just tape it together.
Yeah, because we have to figure out what our size is and then cut
I
it
have
the
no
length.
idea how this
For sure. No, yeah.
You were hoping this a lot.
And they're also supposed to be like large pants, so that's also why they look so big. Okay.
I assume they'll probably look good in like linen or satin.
Ooh.
Or canvas, I guess. But
Yeah.
just buy like sheets or something from like a say roll.
That's what we were just saying.
yeah.
Or if you go to like some of the fabric marts, or if you find like estate sales, you can find like just fabric wear off them.
You bought the pattern, so and you printed a couple of papers. So it'll even out in the wash. What does it say? It'll come out in the wash. That's the saying, I think.
Need a receipt?
Sure. This is going to be a business expense now.
Right.
At this point. Would you like us to make you a pair of pants?
Yeah, that would be nice.
You know how it goes.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Thanks again. You were so helpful.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Wow.
Some knowledge.
So now we are 1/9 of the way finished with our project.
1/9.
Thank you. All right, awesome. Well, that took a long time, so like up to you if you wanted to go back and cut it now, or we can do that another day, because like
Do that another day.
yeah,
I need some research to do.
and honestly I was overwhelmed.
I learned from you the fabric type, the math. I was like, I didn't know I was gonna go to school today. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So
much
make sure
that.
you pay your tuition, right?
Pay my tuition.
So okay. Awesome. Well, I'll just hold on to this, and then when we get together again, I'll like I have some of that paper that might work for it.
Yeah.
But maybe I can even order on Amazon like drafting paper.
And-
She did not, in fact, order drafting paper.